Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and welcome to Ambar Ilham channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fill the data reference here with the reference from the another sheet like this, but I don't want to put the data reference here one by one for each column here, but I'm gonna use only one function on this case, and I want to show you how to fill in it fast. So let me start. We're gonna use on the first table here, I'm gonna use the index and match function. We use the index and match function like this. Index, and this is the data reference name is on the column C here, and then use the string function and then match with ID number. Here's the ID number in cell B13, and lookup array is in here. This is the ID number, and then use the string function and then comma and then 0, close bracket here, and then you can drag it down like this. On the next step, I'm gonna show you how to fill in this with fast, but before we continue, I'm gonna ensure that the sequence on this column is in the same sequencing. If the sequence is different, I'm afraid the data is gonna be wrong column from the wrong reference. So how to make it sure, I'm gonna use the number 1, 2, 3 until 9 here, and I'm gonna use the column 2 in cell from here, 1, 2, 3 until 9, 2, and then we see we use the hlookup function, hlookup, and the reference is from here on row 12, and the reference is here, ID, on row B2 until J2 and to G3, and the row reference is on the row number 2, comma 2, comma 0. And let me see if the sequence is the same. This is 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3 until 9 with 9 here. So we can use the index and match function here and then use the logical. If I want to drag it to the right here, I'm gonna make the reference in column C here is moved to column D, E, and so on until J. So this, I'm gonna remove the string function before the column C and then use the match function, reference in column B, and I'm gonna put the string function before B, because if I want to drag it to the right, the reference is still from ID number here, and just let the string function between the B and the number of row here, and everything is complete here. Just drag it to down and drag it to the right like this one, and then it's finished. So we want to delete the reference. This one, you only want to know whether the the sequence has the same sequence. What about this one? We have the name, bracket. This is department, is in column F, and this is the last formal education, is column I. So the sequence in here is not the same. So we cannot use the index and match function in here. I prefer use the Vlookup function on this case. So the formula, the function is Vlookup. The reference is from B3 and then sit 1, and then I'm gonna use the until it's all done, until J, until J9, J21 here, and then use the string function, and then column index number. For the column index, I'm gonna use the column index in this third row here, so I use the hlookup function with the reference from the C2 here, and use the string function before the row number 2, and then hlookup here until here, and then drag it to the right here, and then use the string function both of column and row, and then comma and 2, and then 0, close bracket, comma, and then 0, close bracket, and enter. And then you can see here the reference in column B. If I move it to the right, I want to it change to stay on column B, so I'm gonna use the string function before B here, and enter, and then drag it to the down and drag it to the right like this. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding to Word, Excel, or Google Sheet, please write down on the comment below. God willing, I will answer it on the next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.